So how'd you like the hyper on Mines Road?
That was nice. Very nice. Far more capable than I.
Right. That's the perfect road for this bike.
Very nice. Nice bike.
So what'd you think, Francesco?
It was fun.
It's not the best cover. I mean, the V-Strom was better, I think, on this kind of road.
You know, the V-Strom's a little bit more street oriented. Huh?
It's a perfect road for this bike.
Yep.
Thank you,
The
Doc.
handoff.
Thank you,
You had fun,
Francesco.
right?
Yes, that was great. Thank you very much. It's wonderful.
That bike is fantastic.
You like
it's
it, huh?
Fun to ride.
Your bike is fun to ride too. It's way
very
beyond me.
nimble and
You like it?
even when you
No,
get
you-
lazy and you don't want to downshift, but if you open it up and
It goes. Yeah,
fantastic.
it's good. Yeah, your bike is wonderful. Took me a while to get used to it.